Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Astro A50 won't charge. If your Astro A50 headset won't charge, you have to try some step. First of all, you have to ensure all cables are securely connected to both the base station and the power source. After that, you have to make sure the headset is properly seated on the base station. Then you have to adjust its position if necessary. You can try to clean charging contact. Clean the charging contact on the both headset and the base station with soft dry cloth. And after cleaning, you have to hold down the power button on the headset for about 15 seconds to reset it. Resetting the headset can fix the issue. If the issue still persists, you can try to update the firmware. For that, you have to connect the base station to your PC and use Astro Command Center software to check for and install any update available. After updating firmware, you have to test another USB port power source. Try using a different USB port or power source to rule out issue with the current one. Hopefully this step will help you to fix Astro A50 won't charge. Thanks for watching.